Um, so I've already said before, for you to have access to the Salesforce platform, you have to log in. Hence, once you log in, you will be welcomed by an interface that looks like this. This is the home button whereby it tells you of all that is happening within your business, within your accounts, within your leads, literally within your sales and leads pipeline. It tells you about your accounts and how you can plan them, how to grow your relationships. Like here, it shows that you have created 8 contacts in the last 90 days. Shows you the accounts owned by you, the closed deals, those that are won, those that have been lost, those that are open, so that you can plan yourself accordingly. Tells you of the leads that you've input in the last 30 days. You can view those leads, and it can also show you your monthly goals if you've set them. These were already set by me, so in case you do not have the set goals, then you can set those goals accordingly. It can show you the recent records. It can show you that today's tasks that you have to do. Once you click there, it will just take you straight to the tasks. Okay, so that's the home button. And it will show you all these other different objects. These are called objects, like we have leads, we have accounts, contacts, opportunities. We'll be interfacing majorly with leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, and tasks, and of course, something called cases, not forgetting the charter. This is the app launcher. This one over here, it is called the app launcher, and it has different apps within the Salesforce CRM. But majorly we'll be interfacing with sales. So for now, that is what you're going to have access to. So this is it. This is the interface of Salesforce. Once you log in, this is what will be welcoming you. You see, it says Seller Home. Good morning, Caroline. Let's get selling, guys. Let's get selling. This is the international search button, and from here you can search literally anything within Salesforce. Your contacts, your opportunities, your cases, you can search all of that within here. Let's say I want to search for a company called Microhim Scientifics. There it is. It shows it's already within. And actually, before you even enter any company and you're not sure if your colleague has already entered it, it's very important. Use this button. It will show you what's already in, what's not in. But also there is another provision whereby when you're entering something, a company, it will tell you that it has already been entered so that there is no duplication within Salesforce. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you today, what the interface is like when you come to Salesforce. Yes, that's what it looks like. Thank you.